How to report a Telegram account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can report a Telegram account. In order to report a Telegram account, at first you have to go to the search icon on your device and then search Telegram out here. Then tap on Telegram and firstly launch the very Telegram application on your very device. After you launch the very Telegram application on your very device, now you can just tap on the person whom you would like to report on the Telegram. Now, after you tap on the very person whom you would like to just Telegram or whom you would like to just block on the very Telegram, you can see an interface like this. You can then go to the three dots here. After going, you can see the option of report. If you do not directly find it, you can tap on the person name and then tap on the three dots here. You could either block the user at first, and after blocking the user, you could also report him or her. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.